Experiencing time discrepancies on your Fitbit Inspire 3? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the most common and effective solutions to get your device back on time. Released in October 2023, the Inspire 3 relies on your smartphone for accurate time updates. Let's dive into how to fix this. The Fitbit Inspire 3 synchronizes its time through a Bluetooth connection with your paired smartphone. This wireless link allows the devices to communicate and exchange data. The Fitbit pulls accurate time information from your phone's network connection or GPS system. This ensures the device displays the correct time based on your location and time zone. The Fitbit app on your phone acts as a bridge, connecting to NTP servers, which provide highly accurate time data from the internet. This ensures synchronization is precise and reliable. Weak Bluetooth signals or disabled location services on your phone can cause synchronization delays, leading to inaccurate time display on the Fitbit. To ensure consistent syncing, keep your phone within 30 feet of your Fitbit Inspire 3. This maintains a strong Bluetooth connection for reliable time updates. First, try manually syncing your Fitbit through the Fitbit app. Open the app, tap on your device tile, and select Sync Now. This forces a time update. According to Fitbit's user data, 70% of time sync issues resolve after a manual sync or app restart. If this doesn't work, proceed to the next step. A simple restart can often resolve the issue. Hold the side button on your Inspire 3 for about 10 seconds until the Fitbit logo appears. This will reboot the device. Once restarted, try syncing again through the app. This often clears temporary software glitches affecting time synchronization. The third troubleshooting step is to check your app and phone settings. First, ensure your Fitbit app is up to date. Outdated apps can cause syncing problems. Open your phone's app store and check for any available updates for the Fitbit app. Tap the update button if one is available. Next, verify that Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled for the Fitbit app in your phone's settings. Go to your phone's settings, find the Fitbit app, and make sure both Bluetooth and location permissions are turned on. The app needs these permissions to accurately sync the time and time zone. If other troubleshooting methods fail, a factory reset may be necessary. Be aware that this will erase all your data, so always try other solutions first. To perform a factory reset, open the Fitbit app on your phone and go to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the option to clear user data. This will reset your Fitbit Inspire 3 to factory settings. After the factory reset completes, you will need to repair your Fitbit Inspire 3 with your phone through the app. Once repaired, check if the time on your Fitbit Inspire 3 is now displaying correctly. Several factors can still cause time sync issues on your Fitbit Inspire 3. These include intermittent phone connections that disrupt the Bluetooth link needed for syncing. Outdated firmware can prevent proper time updates, as newer versions include fixes for syncing problems. Low battery levels below 20% often halt syncing to conserve power, causing the device to retain old timestamps. Travel, especially international trips, can cause issues when automatic time zone changes fail without a strong phone signal for GPS location detection. To minimize these problems, keep your Fitbit app and device firmware updated regularly. This ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. The trend in wearables is moving towards smarter, more autonomous devices. Expect future Fitbit models to have enhanced offline capabilities, possibly including Wi-Fi syncing or even eSIM for independent time updates. AI-assisted diagnostics may also become commonplace, automatically fixing sync problems. Google's integration may improve predictive syncing based on user patterns. These advancements will make time syncing more reliable and user-friendly in future wearable devices.